Ventilation. Ventilation in underground parking is very much necessary to reduce several indoor air quality problems. The most serious problem is emission of carbon monoxide by cars within the parking. And the other concern related to enclosed parking are presence of oil and gasoline fumes. Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Bilal, student of BTech Electrical Engineering at Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. I am here to give you a short demonstration of my project on fan control of an underground parking. This project is sponsored under TCube Second Program by National Project Implementation Unit NPIU, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India and World Bank. Technical support is done by ZMS Technology, Germany. Here you can see the project overview of our project. Real world problem description, automation concept, programmable logic controller, visualization in HMI and SCADA, further steps for this project. Basically our project involves the automation control of fans in an underground parking. The process should be automated so that proper ventilation is provided inside the underground parking. No manpower is required to achieve the task. Appropriate signals are displayed at entrance gate and no vehicle is allowed to enter in case of emergency conditions. Automation concept. Here you can see fans, signaling lights, power quality analyzer to protect the damage of fans due to bad power quality, and most important, the PLC. All these are connected to a PLC. The PLC receives digital data from sensors for necessary action to digital actuators. The system can be visualized using HMI screens or through a SCADA system. System engineering. It has two parts. First part is for PLC, containing creating tags, creating logic, and for downloading program to PLC. Second part contains creating connection to HMI and PLC, creating a screen, testing, and downloading HMI screen to HMI hardware. We have used total integrated automation software. Here we select PLC S7300, CPU 314, C, P and DP. Now we come to the project. This is our project. PLC tags, we have defined PLC tags. These are our tags, and PLC tags are defined for all input and output conditions. Based on these tags, we have created our program in main block. In main block, the program is divided into 10 networks. Each network is dedicated to each condition. Let us download program. Similarly, we have created tags and screens for HMI in WinCC. These are tags for WinCC, and there are two screens, start screen and section 0 screen. That is our main screen. Now we download WinCC program to our touch panel. So far we have downloaded our program to touch panel. We have used touch panel TP177B. This is our home screen, Industrial Automation Lab, AMU Aligarh, and this is my name, Mohammad Bilal, BTech Electrical. Now we are going to main screen. This is our main screen. It contains parking. This is our parking. This is the gate of parking, and these are 4 fans. This is the light signals, and this is alarm, and these are 4 switches to switch on and off the fans. When none of the fan is in working mode, then a red light and an alarm appears. This is the condition of emergency, and no vehicle is allowed to enter inside the parking. When we switch on one fan, then red light appears. It means there is no proper ventilation inside the parking. But when the 2 fans are in working mode, the yellow light appears. When 3 or more than 3 fans are in working mode, the signal is green, means there is proper ventilation inside the parking, and the vehicles are allowed to enter inside the parking. As improvement is part of all technical developments, here are some further steps for this project. Remote access for monitoring and control, cyber security for above steps, deployment of wireless industrial network, deployment of Profinet remote input output. I would like to thank Department of Electrical Engineering establishing this lab in our college. Also, we thank ZMS Technology, Germany for technical training and support. At last, I would like to thank my batchmates, technical and non-technical staff involved in bringing this project to completion. Also, do not forget to see other videos.